Welcome back. Now, one interesting feature inside of Gutenberg is the capacity to create a cover. So for example, if we were to click the Add Block button and we were to either click the cover from most used, or we're going to write in a C and an O, we'll then find the block. You'll notice then that you will be able then to drag an image or a video, or upload a new one, or select a file from your library. And what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to write on top of this image or video. Now you'll notice then that we have our image in place, and what we can do is we can write right on top of that image. We'll just place our cursor where we have our title, and then we can write in our overlay. And of course, we have control over the appearance of the overlay. We can make the background more opaque. We can give the overlay a different color. And you'll see that here. And of course, until you get the look that you want, you can clear out any of the changes. You can continue to add in content until you have the overlay that you want. Now this is going to be helpful if you have images or headers that you want to create with an overlay that you are going to write in on top of the image. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.